Welcome boys and girls to a special video with Mr. Chiu. In this video, we are going to be read one of our Elephant and Piggy books. This one is called Pigs Make Me Sneeze by, you should all know this one, Mo Willems. And of course, just like in class, we look for the pigeon at the end. Let's begin. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want, yes? What? A ball, a swim, a hat. Chiu! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Chiu! I cannot stop sneezing. Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. 6 feet. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But, Gerald... No, do not speak. It is too late. Oh, here's a big one. Here's a big one. Chiu. Goodbye. Gerald. Get some tissues if you're crying. Or sneezing. Hmm? Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I'm sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news! Oops. That page. I have a cold! Good for you. What happened to Piggy? Did Gerald remember to sneeze here? Or use a tissue? That's what happened to Piggy. And, of course, the last page. Look for Pigeon. Thanks for watching, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed it. You can watch it over and over again. And if you get tired and bored, I'm always here. I love you. Okay, see you guys next week. Bye!